So friends, welcome to my channel. If you guys having this error in your PS4 np-34958-9 error problem, so guys watch this video till end because I'm showing in this video the 3 ways to solve this problem. So guys watch this video till end and do like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. So guys, fix 1 is change your DNS. PS4 settings menu and press on network, press on setup internet connection, select Wi-Fi or LAN depending on your connection type. IP address setting custom, DHCP hostname do not specify, DNS setting manual, primary DNS 1.1.1.1. Secondary DNS 1.0.0.1. And fix second is connect to your mobile hotspot. Turn on your mobile hotspot on iOS, Android, PS4 setting menu and click on network, click on setup internet connection, select use Wi-Fi and select your mobile hotspot's name. Okay, this is the fix 2 and now going to on fix 3. So guys, in the fix 3 you have to deactivate all consoles linked to your account. Go to the PlayStation website and sign into your account. Navigate to the device management section and deactivate all consoles linked to your account. Go back to your PS4, sign in, go to your account settings and activate your console as the primary device. So guys, this is the third fix. Third fix is deactivate all consoles linked to your account, and these 3 fixes used into fixing in your PS4 error problem. And guys, this is the trusted fixes. Yes guys, many people do these fixes in PS4 error problem. So guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. Thanks for watching.